Díomh Cordrail agus Faltarnash. I have super big news from our studio. I know that folks have been looking at various different gaming showcases over the weekend, and we were so thrilled that we were part of one ourselves, the PC Gaming Show. And it was announced that our game, Eyes of Hellfire, our upcoming gothic horror game set in Ireland, made by an Irish studio, Gambrinous, that's us, our game is going to be published by none other than Blumhouse Games. We are so thrilled to finally be able to talk openly about our partnership with Blumhouse. Blumhouse is obviously very well known for producing horror movies. So for example, I'm sure you know a few of them: Get Out, Split, The Purge, Insidious, Sinister, and then it's also produced films such as Black Klansman and Whiplash. And their games division focuses in on indie teams, and we just happen to be one of them. This has been under wraps for a long time, and let me tell you, it's been really hard not to say anything for a long time too. But finally it is out there, which means we can just talk about it, which is like so great. You have no idea. So without further ado, I'm presenting to you the trailer for our upcoming game, Eyes of Hellfire. Enjoy!
On this most auspicious of nights, I would like to raise a toast. New friends, I bid you welcome to the club.
We've got to get out of here.
This will help.
I'll keep an eye out for anything dangerous.
I'll check for anything on the floor.
A terrible curse has drawn you together, but fear threatens to drive you apart.
Did you seriously rob me?
Is that blood?
God! Oh, God! Keep your cards close to your chest,
No, this isn't right.
for you'll need to decide who you can trust.
Is somebody there?
Before the rest of my guests arrive.